Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a classic Russian car. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. The 1:32 die-cast scale model of Lada Riva. Lada Riva is a classic sedan made by Lada, a Russian company. This model comes with a very realistic body. Just look at the paint job, a hot red color with black mix. It also comes with realistic door frames, rubber tires, tire alloys in black, front grille and headlights, rear lights, and this car comes with two openable front doors and an openable tailgate. Just look at the well detailed interior inside. The left hand drive steering, dashboard, seats, and also boot space. It's so well detailed, right? Comment below. This beautiful diecast model comes with pullback action feature. Just look at the power. So now let's test it on this road. Wow! Like, share and comment on my video. Now let's take this classic beauty for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.